3,903 na coins. Kaya subukan natin mag-withdraw ng $5 sa PayPal kung ito po ba ay ma-receive natin. So, pindutin po natin itong PayPal. So, try nating i-redeem. And dito, input po natin yung email account natin sa PayPal. Disclaimer: the information provided by the speaker or presenter of this video or platform is for information purposes only and not to promote. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind expressed or implied regarding the accuracy, legitimacy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. For today's video ay susubukan natin mag-withdraw sa application na ito dahil meron pong nag-comment sa akin kung legit po ba ito na application. Kaya sa video ngayon ay susubukan natin mag-withdraw ng $5 sa PayPal kung ito po ba ay ma-receive. At hindi ko na lang po ituro sa inyo kung paano po tayo maka-earn dito dahil meron na po akong isang video dito, video tutorial kung paano po tayo maka-earn sa pamamagitan ng paglalakad. Kaya sa video ngayon ay try natin mag-withdraw. Okay, puntahan lang po natin dito sa My Rewards. Then dito sa PayPal dahil ang need po niya na coins ay 3,000. Dito ay meron na po akong 3,903 na coins. Kaya subukan natin mag-withdraw ng $5 sa PayPal kung ito po ba ay ma-receive natin. So, pindutin po natin itong PayPal. So sabi dito, after redeeming a PayPal gift card, your PayPal balance will increase. Please note that the cross-border transfer may incur certain fees. Learn more about this. So, please ensure that PayPal email you provide is your correct email address. If incorrect email is entered and funds are sent to wrong account, you will be responsible for any resulting loss. So, try nating i-redeem. And dito, input po natin yung email account natin sa PayPal. Okay, once na-input ninyo na, assign lang muna natin dito, estimated to be successful redeem within 1 to 5 working days. After redeeming a PayPal gift card, your PayPal balance will increase. Okay, click natin itong submit. Okay, in review na po siya. Yan. Gift card $5, gift card coins 3,000, status in review, redemption time. Yan. So X, back lang tayo. Kung gusto natin puntahan yung status ng withdraw natin, puntahan lang po natin dito sa My Rewards. Ayan, kikita po natin na in review. So wait na lang po tayo na ito ay ma-receive natin.
2,000 years later.
Ayan guys, meron akong nakitang notification na galing kang Woktas. Ito po, redemption completed, reward has been redeemed successfully. So, pindutin po natin. Then puntahan po natin ang rewards. Ayan, may rewards. Ayan, nakita po ninyo na naka-check na po yung ni-redeem ko noong September 7 at redeem na po siya. Ibig sabihin ay successful na po yung withdraw natin na $5 sa PayPal. In additional po na proof, puntahan po natin sa Gmail natin kung natanggap po ba natin doon. So ayan, you have received $5 from Woktas. Yan po, legit po talaga ito na application. Kaya kung gusto nyo ito i-download ay puntahan lang po sa description or comment section para ma-download nyo din ito na application. Okay, yun lang po. God bless.
Visit us my YouTube channel, Juni Agatano, and click subscribe and notification bell to keep you updated on my videos. The videos I upload about personal blog and finance. Thank you so much and God bless.